Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a moment to share something deeply personal. About 2 months ago, I lost my mom, and the waves of emotion have been overwhelming. Some days I can laugh and smile at our cherished memories, while other times, those same memories leave me feeling crushed with a lump in my throat that settles in my chest and gut, confining me to my bed with my pillow as my only comfort. Everyday routines feel so different now. Just living life has become a challenge, and I see that same heaviness in my children. My husband has been a rock, doing everything he can to support us, but I know it weighs on him to see our pain. To help lift my spirits, I decided to make this purple dress with yellow flowers. It's a quick and easy project that brings a little brightness into the darkness. I can't wait to wear it to dinner with my siblings and dad, creating new memories while honoring my mom. The truth is, no one truly understands this kind of pain. It just hits differently. But I'm finding small ways to cope and remember her with love. Thank you for being here with me on this journey.